So let's collect some more energy from the nature. So in a nice environment, you can just really sit for a moment. Just enjoy relaxing yourself anyways. So just think, relax all the way down your body. And the stress you have, give it to the earth. So your mind think about letting things to the earth, and it actually works, right? So you think and go deep to yourself. My stress, my problems. We cannot solve everything right away, but I do not need to keep all the stress inside me. They are vibrations. Just relax, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Let the universe over me, energy connect with me. My mind think about the stress go to the Mother Earth. The Mother does not mind it. And we're grateful for Mother Earth. It's like I love my mother too. So I love the earth too. And relax and ground yourself. A few minutes longer if you want will be very helpful. So when you're done, you can always give thanks, right? Thanks for all the things you have, and think all the good things that can happen in your life. So if you like what I do, remember to check the link below, and there are things you can do with me, so check it out now.